Today our topic is scientific notation. A number written in the form of a multiplied by 10 raised to power n is known as scientific notation. Now 20600 is a number written in ordinary notation. Now how we will write it in scientific notation? We follow two steps. Step number 1. Place the decimal after first non-zero digit 2.0600. Step number 2. Multiply the number of step 1 by 10 raised to power n if we shifted the decimal point n places to left. 2.0600 into 10 raised to power 4. This is the number written in ordinary notation, and this is the number written in scientific notation. Now if the number is less than 1, 0.000067 is the number written in ordinary notation. How we will write it in scientific notation? We follow two steps. Step number 1. Place the decimal point after the first non-zero digit, that is 6.7. Step number 2. Multiply the number obtained in step 1 by 10 raised to power minus n if we shifted the decimal point n places to the right. 6.7 into 10 raised to power minus 5 is the number written in scientific notation, because we have first put the point or decimal here, and now if we see that how many points the decimal has shifted, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This n is minus 5. Now let's do two examples. Write in scientific notation. 6350000 is the number written in ordinary notation. How we will write it in scientific notation? This is equals to 6.35 into 10 raised to power 6. 0.000852 is the number written in ordinary notation, and in scientific notation it will be written as 8.52 into 10 raised to power minus 4.